On again, we're gonna put Windows 10 on newer computer. It's called Dell Latitude E6530. So I'm gonna show you what you got first, and then we'll go from there. So you go press F2. Keep pressing F2 to go to the BIOS. All right. When you're BIOS, you go to System, and you see it has i7-3720QM CPU, 2.6, and it has 8 GB RAM. RAM. And you scroll down, and you will see 250 HHD. So it's not SSD, it's HHD. So it's hard drive. All right. So what we're gonna do is press the load default to make sure it's a factory reset. Alright, and then press exit, and then press F12. Keep pressing F12. That will take you to the boot menu. Boot menu where you pick up either CD-ROM or the USB to boot the window. I use the USB, so you see the hard drive on the top. The second one is USB. You choose that, you press enter, and it's gonna take about a few minutes, and then it will go straight to the window. So just gonna take a few minutes. It's almost there. So what I'm gonna do in the when it's uploading the window, I'm gonna pause the video, and when I get to the point that you need a little instruction, then we'll come back and finish the video, and that way you don't have to wait on loading, because Windows 10 takes quite a long time. Alright, so we are almost there. So we're gonna get a window screen. Now we're gonna choose what language we're gonna pick. So we're gonna do English, times, United States, Central, or click install now. Okay, now we're gonna put DLA, that's digital license activation. Press next. Accept the license. Press next. It'll be a fresh install, so that's what you're gonna do. Install window only. If it has old files, you can delete it right here. Delete again. Alright, it's now clean. Press next, and that's what screen you're gonna get. It's gonna take about 30 to 35 minutes. So I'm gonna pause the video, and when it get to the point, I'll come back and step by step I'll help you out. Okay, we're back. It's gonna be a few more seconds. We're gonna get the screen. It's gonna ask us what language we're gonna pick, and then we'll go from there. The next thing, I think, keyboard layout, and then we'll go to the Wi-Fi, and we put in the password of Wi-Fi. So it will be really quick steps. So if we get to the language screen, should be almost there. Well, it's not there. Alright, so we got to the screen. First, you're gonna pick the country, the region where you at. You press yes. We are in the United States. Then you click on the layout of the keyboard, whatever you like. Then second layout, the keyboard, we're gonna skip that. Next thing is going to ask you the Wi-Fi password. So you're going to pick up your whatever network you have it on there. So you pick that, and then you got to put in the password, and then press next. Okay, it's going to tell you it's connected. Yep. Right, next. It's going to take a few seconds again. Make sure you don't turn off your device when it's going through. So still setting up things. Pause the video and we'll come back in a minute. Okay, so we're gonna pick which if you're running for organization or personal use, you click the personal use and then press next, and then account. If you have a Microsoft account, then you put that in. If not, then click on offline account. Do the limited edition. If you go press next here, it's gonna ask you same to put in login with the Microsoft. But if you don't have it or you don't want to do it, just click limited experience. You can name your computer whatever you like. Password. Press next. Then it's gonna ask you the setting, how you want to set up your computer, and then it's gonna ask you for Cortina. So you press accept that. If not, then you click not now. So press accept. It's gonna take a few more minutes, so I'm gonna pause the video and be right back. Okay, so we got to the main screen now. So what you're gonna do is on the search bar, type in update window. So click that. What it's gonna do, it's gonna update all the drivers that's there. So how to check that, just right click and go to the device manager and click that, check the updates. So device manager, so it'll take a few seconds. There we go. Right, you see there are some drivers needs to be updated. So what it's gonna do, it's gonna find the drivers right here, and you will see it will update all the drivers. It takes about 30 minutes, I think, but you just leave it running, and when it's finished, then you're gonna need to restart your computer. It's gonna ask you by itself, but it's just restart the computer. Please subscribe to the channel and click the like button, and I hope I help you with this model. If you have any question or comments, please write me in below, and we'll go from there. And once again, thank you for watching. Bye bye.